We will learn to create halftone effect on a photo in Photoshop, so let's get started. First, we will create the displacement map of this image, so add an adjustment layer of black and white and go to File, save it as Man Image Displacement. Displacement map is used for the illusion of depth. Later I will show you this effect. Save it, hit OK. Now add a new layer on the top. Go to Edit, Fill. Set the value to 50% gray, hit OK. Right click on this layer and convert it into a smart object. For the halftone effect, go to Filter, open Filter Gallery. Expand the section of Sketch and select Halftone Pattern. Here the contrast will be 0 and size will be 8. Make sure to set the pattern type to dot. Now create a new effect layer and select Tone Edges. Here the contrast will be also 0 and smoothness will be 15. Set the image balance to 30. We actually want to create small white circles. Then hit OK. Here set the blend mode to Hard Mix. To reduce the effect, set the fill value to 50%. Now the image is looking good, but it's not molding according to the shape of the image. So it's time to use our displacement map we created earlier. To apply the map, go to Filter, Distort, Displace. Set the horizontal and vertical scale to 10, hit OK. Open the displacement map. Our map is automatically applied on it. Let me show you the difference. This is the before, this is the after. With this map, the color halftone effect is bended according to the face shape. For the final touch, let's add a stroke around it. Select the background layer and take the quick selection tool. Start creating the selection of the man. After you are done, take the rectangular marquee tool, right click, select layer via copy. It will create a duplicate layer of the selection. Drag this layer on the top. Add a layer style of stroke. Change the color to orange. Hit OK. Set the size 50 pixels. Hit OK. Set the layer fill value to 0%. With this stroke, the image is differentiated with the background. If you learned something new, hit the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon for learning updates. My name is Shubham. Thank you so much for watching Graphic Arena.